Jeffrey. Why? Why did this happen?
Why did you Why did Keemstar touch Jeffrey?
He couldn't have done that. Jeffrey, no.
Jeffrey, you'll be okay one day.
Jeffrey, your daddy is now. My dying kid, Gertrude, when I die and when I cry.
Sir, can you tell us what happened to your cousin Jeffrey?
Well, Keemstar, no. It was a tragic day.
What was
the sun wasn't there. It was actually night.
What was Jeffrey trying to do?
I can't remember, but it had to do with something with Keemstar's fingers.
Oh God, no! What did Keemstar do with his fingers?
It happened at Leafy's house. It was just a quiet day.
Did
Leafy all of a sudden,
Did Leafy try to stop him?
Leafy didn't try.
What about
He
Femi?
just sat there.
What about the
Well,
Femi?
actually, it was just because he had his arms behind his back because he was kidnapped and forced to make videos. But anyway, I don't know what happened after that.
What did Jeffrey? What was Jeffrey doing when he got captured? What was he doing?
He was just sitting in the corner playing on his DS.
Oh.
I think it was a DS. Or was it a mirror? He always was really fond of himself. I'm fond of my profile picture.
Oh, hey,
I don't even know what that means.
Sir.
Picked it up from the internet.
What did Leafy try to do, or was anybody trying to help save Leafy and Jeffrey?
Leafy just stood there and talked to his friend. I have no idea who his friend was.
Did they have bleach?
Oh yeah, I remember who his friend was.
Who was he?
His friend was Jacob Sartorius.
Oh God, I feel even bad for Jeffrey.
They're secretly friends.
Oh really? Oh, I didn't know Leafy and him were secretly friends. What was Rice Gum there?
Everybody knew that.
Jeffrey, if you hear this, tell Keemstar to let you come home.